Go ahead, Dougie. Take this picture. Danielle, it's tough to even just stand there, huh?
JC, I have to tell you that the conditions here have deteriorated terribly. It's hard for me to even look that way because the winds are coming out of the north right now and they're howling. I would say now the winds are sustained at about 25. We're feeling gusts over 45 miles an hour at least here. And it is bringing in, you know, back there's the ocean, just so you know, and it is high tide right now. And I'm watching that carefully for you. But I'm also feeling right now not only the cold snow, but it's mixing with the sand, and it is just pelting my face right now. It actually kind of hurts a little bit, so I'm going to turn this way. But those winds, you can see them. They are out of the north, and they are very, very strong, and that is why they have us under a blizzard warning down here, because these winds are gusting, and they are taking all that snow, even the snow we have on the ground, and it is just blowing, and you cannot see in front of you right now. I can tell you that much. I'm looking ahead of me, and I can't even see the road where we came in from. So we have very strong winds. Not only that, we're coupled with the cold. It feels like below zero probably here at this point. At least in my own mind it feels like that. And when I was sitting in the car waiting to come out of here, I can tell you this, the car was shaking. So the winds are very strong. Whatever you do, if you're on the Cape right now, stay inside. Back to you.
Wow. Did you notice her? She's angled. She's angled like this.
Yeah, her back is to the wind.
She's angled.
Yeah.
Just to stand without falling over.
Well, that's what's going to happen in those winds. Even when the snow ends, those winds continue all day long, and the cold is just going to get deeper.